Did you know that Ndebele uses clicks like C, Q, and X? Let's learn how to use them the right way. There are three main click sounds in Ndebele. The first one is a C, in which it sounds like you're sucking your teeth. Itansi. And then there's a Q click where it sounds like a cock popping. Here's how you do it. You lift your tongue to the top of the roof of your gums, and then when you release, that's when you make the sound. And then the X click is where it sounds maybe like you're calling a horse. And you also lift your tongue to the top of the roof, but in this case, it's to the side of your mouth. This is where the sound comes from. Now let's practice. Fela, fela. Qeda, qeda. Amaqebelengwane. Xoxa, xoxa. Iqoqo. And now in sentences. Ngicela amanzi. Ngicela amanzi. Sengiqedile ukudla. Sengiqedile ukudla. Sizaxoxa ngemva komsebenzi. Sizaxoxa ngemva komsebenzi. Now repeat after me. Cela. Xoxa. Qeda. There you have it. Clicks are a natural part of our Nguni identity, and learning them helps you sound more natural in everyday Ndebele. Tag someone who should learn Ndebele clicks today and follow us for more language content.